That people rebound from surgery a lot faster when they're in some kind of a rehab program. Of course, people have physical therapists to help them on the road to recovery. But what about dogs who may need that same kind of help? Our Renee Charisma found out.
The dogs rule the pool in this Del Mar backyard, but they're not swimming for fun. They're swimming for their survival.
Come on, got work to do.
Meet Trish Penick, San Diego's only doggy physical therapist.
Well, I see you resting your head.
A physical therapist for 15 years, she'd used water therapy to help heal her human clients.
And I was actually just watching TV one day and saw a dog and a person in a pool. And a week later, I had some flyers put together and I was faxing them out to some of the local veterinarians.
She started her canine practice 2 years ago, and it's been growing ever since.
The people are just so grateful because they realize that there aren't many places in the United States that offer this, so they're feeling pretty fortunate to be in our area and have access to this kind of service.
There we go. Here we go.
Although canine therapists are a fairly new breed, the benefits of therapy have been known for some time.
We've seen the results in humans for quite a few years now, and the results are so phenomenal in the dogs and it just makes sense.
She's been able to cut post-surgery rehab time in half.
When we get them in the pool, you get to release that energy, and they're all excited when they get out, and they've at least gotten to do some exercise in a safe environment without running the risk of blowing out their orthopedic surgery.
The therapy has also vastly improved the mobility of dogs paralyzed by strokes and plagued by arthritis.
When you put them in the water, they get a lot of confidence because they are able to move their body and they're in an upright position, which they may not have been for an extended period of time.
9-year-old Rox was in such pain from polyarthritis that she had stopped walking altogether.
Hi, sweetie. You ready? Up on your feet.
There were a couple days when she looked so miserable that I thought to myself, this isn't fair to the dog, it's time. And so I thought I'd give myself a day or two, and then every time she'd perk up the next day a little bit and just give me hope.
We're pretty aggressive with our approach to the animal rehab, just like I am with the humans. I don't want to waste any time, and obviously she's quite weak and deconditioned.
The dog will tell you when it's time, and she hasn't told me yet, and she seems to be getting better now.
Rox's road to recovery won't be easy, but the improvements have been measurable.
This was her 4th time swimming, and I'd say she's 400 times better than the first time. It was quite dramatic, the improvement.
They're stepping.
I'm hardly supporting her.
They're stepping.
For many dogs, it's a struggle just to stand when they first visit Trish, but once they hit the water, it's a whole different story.
Without the gravity that you work against on land, you don't have the compression on the joints, so all the dogs that feel the pain on land, they don't feel the pain in the water. To see a dog not able to walk at all on land and to watch them get in the water and start to move their legs is a pretty intense thing to witness.
Often, the progress is nothing short of a miracle.
To have dogs come in and their families were ready to euthanize them because they were so bad. And again, in a few weeks' time, they get better much faster than humans. In a few weeks' time, to see that animal going back to their family, enjoying their quality of life, I mean, that's just, I can't think of anything really much better to be experiencing.
Bye-bye, we'll see you, Trish. Bye.
And so far, no complaints at all from the dogs, and the owners swear by the results.